Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj and advisor to Pak PM on Foreign Affairs Sartaj Aziz are slated to meet in Pokhara today on the sidelines of SAARC summit. Sources say Pathankot probe is likely to top the agenda of the talks. Aditya Raj Kaul is tracking all details for us. Aditya, very good morning to you. We want to know from you what is on the agenda for the two ministers today. Last evening when you spoke to Sartaj Aziz, he just said, well, it was simple, small talk. But today, I believe there are larger issues that are going to be discussed.
Well, a very good morning from Pokhara in Nepal, but the question certainly surrounding the air here is that within the warmth of Nepal, within the warm reception that Nepalese government and the people have put out for the SAARC nations, the big question has been whether India and Pakistan will return back to talks. In fact, this is the last day and the concluding day of this SAARC nations meeting, and the Council of Ministers would be meeting in some time from now. In fact, where I'm standing right now is the Feva River, where in a few minutes from now, both Sushma Swaraj and Sartaj Aziz, right behind me here on this Feva River, will be crossing this bridge and, in fact, taking their breakfast. The early morning breakfast meeting is scheduled to be here in around 10 to 15 minutes. But while they cross the bridge together here, the question really is, will India and Pakistan cross the bridge politically and strategically also? Because comprehensive bilateral dialogue is something that has taken the hit during the Pathankot terror ops. Because, yes, there was a lot of bonhomie that was talked about when Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Pakistan, almost unannounced. The public did not know. Shortly after the comprehensive bilateral dialogue was announced, when in Thailand we saw the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval going to meet Nasir Janjua, his counterpart from Pakistan, the two foreign secretaries also present in that particular meeting. Yesterday, while speaking to the senior diplomats from India, they maintained that what they are waiting for is a decisive action from Pakistan against the perpetrators of the terror attacks.
Yes.
In fact, what sources are also revealing is that shortly after the SAARC nations meeting of the Council of Ministers ends at around 3:45 p.m. today, perhaps between 4 and 5 would be the big bilateral between India and Pakistan, both Sartaj Aziz and Sushma Swaraj meeting. We are also being told, in fact, that in that particular meeting, Pakistan will invite Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the forthcoming SAARC summit that is scheduled to be held in November in Pakistan.
Right.
But even as those several formalities are finished and the theatrics of Pakistan have been well established, will Pakistan move above these theatrics and perhaps do a larger change of mindset, a larger change of strategy in Pakistan, not perhaps given to the demands of the ISI and the Pakistan army? So India awaits a long-term peace agenda, but first a firm action against the perpetrators of the Pathankot terror attacks. That will be the top of the agenda when the two sides really meet at around 4 p.m. today.